My name is Adarsh, and I am a computer science engineer, and I am employee of a Bandhan Bank as a customer relationship officer in Jamshedpur West Coast, Chakulia branch 2323. Today I just built a Workline HRMS. I know Workline is already built. It is a third-party company. Many more companies we have to use like Bandhan Bank and L&T Finance and any other companies. But I feel in a Workline so many bugs and new types of features and modules not to be having added here. So that's why I just build a work line, and I want and I and I want and I think Bandhan Bank we have to use on self build a work line, not to be use a third party, because sometimes not a sometimes whenever I had of any third parties companies of a software, so huge amount of money we have to getting invested. So if I build a work line for completely of a Bandhan Bank and deputed that software of a Bandhan Bank. So many cost affecting means so many cost save in that part area. So that's why. And please give me a chance to show the project in a head office. If you give me a chance, so I do best in a work line and completely shortly. So shortly. So if you give me a chance within a 2 days, so I surely before not before yeah uh, before a financial year we have to completed our work line, because some modules having a remainings like a payrolls and payrolls and work performance like that, internal job postings. So we have to get a discuss on an internal process how that handle it. So after we have to understanding, then after we have to implement in our software. Okay, otherwise in a employee view we have to at least say 70 to 60% we have to build it. So now we have to show how what is we have to new features added in our Bandhan Bank work line. So firstly we have to validations, disable to inspect and F12s. Also we have to write an inspector and F12 are restricted here. Another is validate. This username is validated also, not to be write a alphabet, only for write a numeric number. So firstly we have to log in to our so yeah, in this part we have to show a wrong password. Okay, so now we have to uh, click a right password. This is a dashboard of our work line. So many affecting and the new type of posters we have to get designed. Then after this is the front view, and this employment will be grow up and employment of the month. This is the chatbot. This is a Adarsh Bandhan assistant. Okay, this chatbot name is Adarsh Bandhan assistant. So it's me name. Simply we have to write of uh, who are you, who are you. So I am Adarsh and I am a Bandhan assistant. Simply it says. Okay, and this is a calendar, and we have to, as a testing purpose, it is a demo purpose. We have to trial to a 2 days we have to attendance. So after hitting a crowns means after a completed a 27th. Okay, after completed a 27, so in between a 28 means that 28 October to 12 o'clock a cron will be hitted to our server, and all employees will be a calculate of attendance. It's having a 9 hours completed or not. If a completed, so show a present weekly of also, and show our holiday festivals also. So this is a good things, and everything. Many times our employee will be very confusing how to access for a bandhan age and many more things. So in our chatbot, all our things and have to be helpful our employee to helpful our. So this Bandhan assistant will be a help them. Okay. So simply I just added for a Bandhan age. Okay. So I could not find the Bandhan age link. How can I open it? So simply I just write Bandhan age. Then after open, yeah, it's a link to be open, a Bandhan age. So simply we have to click it and open our Bandhan uh, age also. Now we have to come, let's close it. It is a work management, talent acquisitions, time off, attendance, compensations, benefit, performance goals, age, and work life. So work management, it's yeah, it's cool. It will be we have to fulfill our data through the employment data. It's a common, but we have to create a dat page also. Okay, and this is a profile also. So in my main motto is integrations of between that project. I just working in that integration between of project. Firstly I just show the project. If you agree my words, if you think yes, this project is needful, that's then after I just whole parts will be completed, because as for our view purpose we have to build it, and some remaining parts like a 32 32 30% we have to remaining, but all above the part is completed, like a calendar is all the calendar works we have to working in our sections. Okay. And another is a talent acquisitions, time of attendance. So when I just click it and attendance list, so simply see, we have to log in and log out time, and working hour 11 hours 33 minutes, present. Saturday Sunday is a weekly off, so in that sections we have to show a weekly off. So some that part we have to created up for a particular uh, employees also. So in some part that we have to remaining. So some part that we have to remain, it's a big reason, because firstly we have to get discussed, because every organization is a working phenomenon is different. So that's why I just firstly we have to discuss and noted the point, how could verify, how could add it to a payrolls and compensations, benefits, performance, how can you track your performance and goals also, and employment of the month, how could. So so many changes in our work line, so many changes in a when we use a work line, so many changes. So firstly we have to discuss, and to build a best, to build a good work line, means the Bandhan work line we have to good build up through the understanding about that. Okay. So that's why we have to hold, hold that remaining part. After that, if you if you wholly dependent, yes, I just build it. So in our viewpoints we have to just build it, but firstly we have to get discuss. So that's why firstly we have to get discuss and understanding, how could a work for compensations, benefits, and talent acquisitions, and workforce engagements. So how could we work it? Then after I just created a module. Okay. Simply we have to understanding of it. This is a last login. This is a profile of the change password and log out. It's also work. Now we have to shift it to a, this is the admin panel. So how could I manage for it? So this is the admin panel. So simply we have to write of our work line admin panel. Name will be a changes after build it. Okay. Admin 2 3 4 5. So it's a dashboard to our workline admin panel. In that sections we have to add it for the advertisements. This is the advertisement list. Already we have to add one advertisement. Another is the add employment. This is section of add employment also. and this is a master calendar. This master calendar we have to add it to our events, holidays, and weekly off also. We have to getting updated from them. Okay. So now we have to so now I just updated from in that sections uh, in December, in December 25 December, and this is the first week. So I'm not having, now we have to show this is the second Saturday. Okay, so in these sections we have to write a weekly. So when I updated from in that sections, it is already not to be already, it runtime will be affected to our work line portal also. Okay, so and we have to choose a weekly off. We have to add it on that after save. Yeah, this is a weekly off, and it's already a weekly off or 10 reduction of weekend off. Okay, we have to add it on. Yeah, it's a weekly off. Now we have to come and refreshes this page. Okay, now we have to log out. Okay, and not wrong password, just open it. Yeah, it will be working. Now we have to go to December and we have to show this is a runtime. We have to view the affecting in our databases. So that's we have to build it. Chatbot content and we have also added here question answer, video link, choose images. We have to also work it. Right now we have to as a demo purpose we have to already question and answer will be associated for that. Delete employee list we have to add it after we have to getting a discussions. So many more features we have modules and we have to add it on that. So my motto is that to build a work line is a more effective. Work line is a more effective as compared to right now. So if you give me a chance, I do my best. Okay. So if so, firstly, I just requested. So please, I to so I requested please give me a chance to show this project in a head office and and uh, and give me a quickly response, because if you respond after one month and 2 months, so this project will be a lengthy. If you want to I just completed this financial year, we have to complete it, that project, and then after a testing purpose we have to use it. After that we have to implement to our Bandhan line. So when I just built that project, so not to be hired to a third party company like a work line third party company we have to learn, and in that particular sections we have to a cost to pay that. So uh, ultimately our cost effective and cost will be saved. So that's my view is that I just build a work line for a abandonment and deputed for them. So please please support, and please give me a chance to show the project and remaining portions in our Bandhan we have to get discuss how to could work, how to could, and what do you want. Some features having we have to see in our work line, currently working work line is a third party company agency. So many bugs, I know many more employees will be feel that. So we have to get discuss and remove that bugs, and we have to create a great Workline HRMS to our Bandhan Bank and Deputy Fund. Thank you.